Hello everyone, my name is Satya. Today we discuss about different Wi-Fi technologies that are implemented and available commercially and which are in the research phase. We'll discuss those Wi-Fi technologies. So when we say Wi-Fi, it is based out of wireless LAN technologies. So it is called as 802.11 technology suites. So to start with wireless LAN 802.11, the first standard was 802.11 with maximum link rate speed with 1 to 2 megabits per second, and it was operational only in 2.4 gigahertz. Then came the most famous and most widely deployed Wi-Fi technology 802.11b with the maximum link rate speed of 11 megabits per second, and it was also operational in 2.4 gigahertz. Now, then moving on to the next standard after 802.11b is 802.11a, where it is only based on 5 gigahertz, and there is a maximum link rate of 54 megabits per second. Then till now we have discussed about two spectrums in Wi-Fi, that is 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. In 2.4 gigahertz there are 11 channels. In 5 gigahertz there are more channels available, right? So what is the advantage of 2.4 gigahertz is it is at the lower frequency, so you usually have the reach of this Wi-Fi signal better than the 5 gigahertz spectrum Wi-Fi signals, because higher frequency signals will not penetrate the walls, so sometimes the reach would be not so good in 5 gigahertz, but the technologies have evolved to a great extent. So now with the latest technologies, 5 gigahertz spectrum has avoided all these drawbacks, right? So then we will discuss about 802.11g Wi-Fi spectrum, Wi-Fi technology. Here also the throughput is 54 megabits per second maximum link speed, and it is operational only in 2.4 gigahertz spectrum. Then came 802.11n, which is both operational in 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. So it is both modes operational, so you can select. So when you are connecting in the laptop or the smartphone, which is 5 gigahertz capable chipset also is there, then you would be able to connect to both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi access points, right? So in 11n, 802.11n, the maximum link speed was 600 megabits per second. Then came 802.11ac, which was only operational in 5 gigahertz medium, like we discussed about 802.11a, where maximum link speed was 54 megabits per second. It was operational only in 5 gigahertz. 11ac also, it is only operational in 5 gigahertz, right? So here the maximum link speed can go up to 66 gigabits per second. So that's a great improvement, 6 gigabits per second. Then came the next technology called as Wi-Fi 6. It is distributed into Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E, and its IEEE standard is 802.11ax. Here the maximum link rate is 9.6 gigabits per second, and it is operational. Wi-Fi 6 is operational in 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, whereas Wi-Fi 6E operates in extended spectrum, that is 2.4, 5 gigahertz and 6 gigahertz also. Then till Wi-Fi 6, it is commercially deployed chipsets are there. So the laptops, smartphones, access points, everybody has Wi-Fi 6 compatible. But commercially, what I don't see till now is Wi-Fi 7, which is the next standard, 802.11be. So here the maximum link rate can go up to 23 gigabits per second. So it is also operational in 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and 6 gigahertz. Then, which is in experimental phase, Wi-Fi 8, it is called as 802.11bn. So here they are telling the maximum link rate can go up to 100 gigabits per second, which is also operational in 2.4, 5 gigahertz, and 6 gigahertz. Now, till now, I have used spectrum. I explained what it is. So the spectrum is the frequency band in which these Wi-Fi technologies operate in. Then I was always telling you about maximum link rate. Now the physical rate can be much higher than the link rate, right? Maximum link rate is the overhead additions of MAC layer, Wi-Fi MAC layer, my Wi-Fi physical layer. Everything is taken into consideration, and the link rate is given. So that is what theoretically or practically we can go close up to. Physical limits cannot be reached, as we understand, right? Because the Wi-Fi overheads should be there, Wi-Fi MAC layer overheads and Wi-Fi physical layer overheads should be there, right? So friends, this is I wanted to discuss about this Wi-Fi technologies. So hopefully I think this video is useful to you. If it is useful, please comment and subscribe to my channel. I will try to add more videos that gives more information on Wi-Fi technologies and other technologies with respect to testing, QA, and automation. Okay, thank you. Bye.